We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT to create an image. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website and log into your ChatGPT account. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. You should see a tab or option called Image Generation or something similar, which is part of the latest features in 2025-2026. Click on that to enter the image creation interface. Here, you'll be prompted to input a text description of the image you want to create. Be as detailed as possible. For example, if you want an image of a sunset over a mountain range, describe the colors, time of day, and any specific details you want included. Then at the bottom of the text input area, you'll find a Generate Image button. Click on that button and wait for a few moments while ChatGPT processes your request. The generated image will appear right on your screen. You can download it directly by clicking the download icon or save it to your ChatGPT gallery. For future reference, this new feature is fantastic for quickly visualizing ideas without needing extensive graphic design skills. Just remember that the more detailed your description, the better the result will be. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.